Good morning, guys. We're more here. So it's 8, almost 8:30 in the morning, and we are moving. So it's a lot of stuff here to take. Also those boxes, and here, and the boxes here. So quite many boxes for today, and tables, beautiful tables we have to take, and let's spend this day together. It will be not so fancy as yesterday when we signed the documents at the notary, but it will be also much fun. Мам тебе подскажет.
Что нужно? Мать ищет.
Сейчас ищем. And like a miracle, the room is almost empty, and Dima is enjoying his lunch because he packed everything together with our wonderful neighbor Rob, who's Dutch, and he was so kind to help us with everything. And what's our plan for the day, Dima? It's already 2:15. What are we going to do?
Thanks for filming me with a month full of food.
You're always charming.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, we moved majority of our belongings with Rob, whom I'm very grateful to for helping us. Rob has a small vegan car, so we moved all the large stuff with this vegan, and with our car we moved everything. Well, majority, I think like half of the house at least, with the larger stuff. Today we'll go to the new house and try to move to some stuff there, because we just with Rob we just kind of kicked it in the house and left it. So we'll try to clean it a little bit, have a look at what we can do in the house with the new things. And there are 2 beds for girls which arrived today from IKEA, so I will have to assemble them.
Yes, and we have 1 delivery still in an hour. So let's enjoy the lunch and let's go. Yay! And we are here already, and now everything looks more vivid with our stuff here. These are the parts of the new beds for the kids. Our bed will come later in 2 weeks, and now we have to do the main work, right? This is what you want to do right now.
Yeah, that's the only thing I want to do right now. Classical pop-it for boomers.
Yeah, boomers have a lot of pop-it. There is a lot of pop-it in our house right now. Yep, the kitchen is pretty empty. By the way, guys, Dima, look how beautifully this thing matches the whole kitchen color, right? It's like
We knew.
originally. So I think that the new kitchen also will be in this color scheme. Okay, it's time to start the work.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home.
What's going on?
Даже труба. Вот так.
What's going on?
Бабушка,
Yes.
папа залез.
Yeah.
Ну нет, дядя залез.
Yeah, the engineer from internet company comes, and he's down. Oh, I have to go out again.
Whoa. Осторожно. Oh, careful. Yes.
This one?
We are trying to install the internet. So
There's this one.
the master is here. He came down to the hole and
Yeah.
came there. So they're installing the whole process.
So
Yeah, crazy.
was a-
Алиля, stop.
Стой! Алика, ты сейчас упадешь туда.
Oh, crazy.
Можешь упасть.
Отойдите. Кыш. I went out together with Olivia just to have some fresh air and help Olivia to fall asleep in the trolley. And what I really like here is this district without cars inside. So as you see, guys, there are only bikes, and it is very cozy here because also there are no tall buildings. And at this moment I want to thank you guys for watching this video, for your support and for your very supportive comments, and I will continue walking and sharing with you all our news and all our adventures in the new neighborhood and new house. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.